Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Stock Market India Reporter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. आज के वीडियो में बात करेंगे निफ्टी 50 अनदर माइलस्टोन 25,000 मार्क। आईटीसी का रिजल्ट आया, डिटेल देखेंगे उसका बीएससी रिपोर्ट, क्या क्या सेगमेंट में कैसा रिजल्ट किया। रेलटेल का रिजल्ट निकला आज, देखेंगे उसका नेट प्रॉफिट। जोमेटो अच्छा खासा रिजल्ट था, और भी देखेंगे अदानी एंटरप्राइज, अदानी पोर्ट और बजाज ऑटो का रिजल्ट। साथ ही देखेंगे कुछ और स्टॉक और इंडिया का जीएसटी कलेक्शन जुलाई मंथ पे कैसा था। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Nifty 50 crosses 25,000 milestone with HDFC Bank and Reliance leading the gain. So this is the summary. Benchmark equity index positively start हुआ और additionally Nifty Metal was the top gainer today while Nifty Media was the major loser. Maruti 1.85% off हुआ बंद होके. Coal India around 3.5, HDFC Bank leader 1.4, Reliance 0.66. Maruti actually 4% के करीब ऊपर गया लेकिन बाद में सब टूट हुआ। बात करते हैं आईटीसी का Q1 रिजल्ट। नेट प्रॉफिट मार्जिनली टू ₹4,917 करोड़, एस्टिमेट मिस किया। So there was a high competitive intensity from local and regional manufacturer in categories such as biscuits, snacks, noodles, education and stationery product. That is what ITC said in the investor presentation. हम देखेंगे उसका detailed report. So this is the official report, 1st of August from ITC. This is the highlight of Q1 FY25. So segment wise, gross revenue up by 7.3 year on year with challenging operating environment driven by hotel, value-added agri-product and leaf tobacco. Resilient performance in FMCG, revenue up by 6.3%. Two-year CAGR, revenue 11% plus and PBIT 52% plus. In cigarette, the main category, here we can see revenue up by 7% and PBIT up by 6.5%. For paperboard, paper and packaging segment performance, it reflected low price Chinese supply in global market including India. Because of that, it muted the domestic demand. So we can see a revenue fall in this paperboard segment. This is the cigarette business where segment revenue is up by 6.1% and segment result is up by 6.5%. In the hotel segment, revenue up by 10% and segment result is 11% up. Agri business done well, segment revenue up by 22%. In this paper packaging, as we discussed, because of the competition, the revenue is 6.8% down. This is the key financial. Gross revenue up by 7.3, net revenue 7.8, EBITDA marginally 0.7, PAT 0.3. So that's why it missed the estimate as per the results suggest. This is the weekly chart of ITC, and as we see, it ended today around 1.65 rupees down. So here the major resistance of 507 already tested twice. If it break, then the next target is 518 as per my analysis, and there is a strong support zone in 485. So within this range, it should be in your radar. If it break 507, next target is 518, and if it fall down due to the result, then it may hit and retest 485. These two levels need to be checked. Railtel result just came out an hour back. Net profit rises 25% to 49 crore and revenue also up 19%. So that's the result for Railtel. Zomato have a very good result, 253 crore as order value soared, and it's multi-fold jump in the profit. So good news for Zomato investor. And the quick commerce saw a highest gross order value of 130%. It aims to have 2,000 store for a quick commerce vertical Blinkit by end of 2026. That's the target set by the company. As of today, the Q1 net profit jumped multi-fold to 253 crore. Adani Enterprise net profit rose to 115, so it should be in your radar for tomorrow. To 1,454 crore and revenue also up by 12%. So that's the Adani Enterprise result. Adani Port also net profit 47% year-on-year jump to 3,107 crore. Revenue also up by 11.3%. Bajaj Auto posted 11% jump in July sale and stock also rose in 2% for that. 16th of July, the Bajaj Auto actually provided the result Q1, and we have seen the net profit was 19% up and revenue also up by 15%. So today the vehicle sales number came out. Maruti Suzuki still keep the momentum up. Today it almost jumped 4% but settled around 2% up. So in my previous video I have set target of 13,300, which already breached yesterday, and today it was up much more than that. We'll see the chart. So this is the day chart of Maruti. As we see, 13,300 already breached and it ended today 13,359. So next target as per my analysis will be around 13,892. However, brokerage have set the target of 16,000. So that might be for long term. but in near future it may hit another 600 point from now. That will be around 13900. India GST collection data suggests that it has been rose by 10%, 10.3% to 1.82 lakh crore in month of July, as compared to 1.74 lakh crore in the previous month. So that's the GST collection data for you. So these are the major top gainer today. Adani Energy Solution 12% up, Jubilant Pharmova 12%, First Source Solution IT 10% up, Capri Global 7.9, Hitachi Energy, the Power India stock, very good stock for keeping in portfolio, 6.8, PCBL 6.6, Astra DM after a good result 6.1. And these are the some top loser today. Sonata Software lower circuit 9.9, KRBL after the result 7.4 down, Aegis Logistics 7.4, Birlasoft another IT company 4.8, Z Entertainment 4.6, Network 18 4.6, Apar Industry it had a good run today down by 4.6, New India Assurance after a long run now it is settling down 4.5 down, Renuka Sugar 4.3. So these are the top loser for today. That's all for today's market update. Remember to stay informed and make well-researched decision on your investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in next video.